Hey guys, I was trying to use my cell phone last night to record how to use these two screen recording tools, and I could not do it, so I had to make a PowerPoint and put pictures on all the steps of how to do it. Um, if you also want the PowerPoint, I can send that to you, but this is just going to be me going over what to do. Okay, so first we're going to do ScreenCast-O-Matic. So after you get an account and you log in, so this is my account, this is what the first screen will look like. And I have circled right here what you need to be pushing, which is that little camera, and that's going to pop up. It's going to look like this, which I already have my little mouse over it where you can see. You're going to push open screen recorder launcher, and then this should pop up at the bottom of your screen on this little bar. Well, I have a Mac, so if you don't have a Mac, it should still pop up somewhere on your screen, this picture. And you're going to push that. And then I have a couple different things circled. So this circle right here, that's just how you expand this parameter. So this parameter right here, it would only show what's inside the box. So like right now I'm using it to have around my whole PowerPoint screen. You can put it around your whole screen if you want everything, or you can just adjust it to whatever you want to show on your screen. Obviously this little button in the middle is for you to move this little box, this dotted box, around the screen. And then when you're ready to record after you have moved your little box to where you want it, you're going to just push record. Oh, also you can have like right here it says screen or webcam or both. So you're going to want to do both because that shows like how I'm right here in the corner. That's the webcam and then the screen. Okay, and then after you push record, so I'm going to go back. I can go back. There it goes. If you press record, after you start talking, after you're done, you're going to push this little pause button. And then after you press the pause, you can start recording again, and it'll pick up where you left off. Or you can trash it right here if you didn't like what you said or if you messed up. And then if you like what you did, just go ahead and press the done. And then right here, after you press done, you're going to push save and upload. At this point, you need to make sure that you are logged into our class YouTube account because you're going to actually be able to upload it straight to YouTube. So you're going to press, after you go here, after you press this, it'll give the option of where you want to upload it to. Press YouTube, and then this screen will pop up. So I put my privacy settings to private until I can go edit my video. You want to make sure it's under education, and then after you have that, you don't have to put it to private. I just did that so nobody else could see it until after I have edited it. So, edited it. That's hard. Okay, yes. And then you're going to press publish. So after you press publish, you're going to go to our YouTube account. And you're going to go to your videos. See how it has that E right here? That should be E for Ed311. Make sure it says that right there. Okay, and then you push your videos. This is all our videos. You're going to push manage videos. After you press manage videos, it should pop up all of our videos. You can technically edit anyone's videos, but I will know who does it. So don't go edit somebody else's video or delete their video. Just go in and edit your own video, and then you should be able to just change it from private to public. And then after you do that, everybody will be able to see it again. So that should be it for Screencast. Now the next one is Loom, because I know some people don't like to use ScreenCast-O-Matic. I like it. That's what I'm using right now to make this video. But it's not for everybody. So here's Loom. Let me go to the next slide. So I had never used it, but I went in, I made an account. I actually made an account with the account I already had up on my Google screen, which was just my regular email. I added an extension to my Chrome, Google Chrome, which is what I use. So after you add the extension, it should be up here. And you just press this little flower, and it should pop up like this. So it will let you, where it says screen and camera, it'll also pop up if you want to use the full desktop right here, or if you just want to use a tab that you're on. I kind of liked that, and it also said you can use you can upload like an image to use too. So I kind of liked that idea, but I still like how screencast you can just do whatever's on your screen and you don't have to pull up everything. So just press start recording, and then here I am down the corner. I don't know if you can move it. I know like on here I can like move. See, I'm moving myself around. I don't know if you can move. I didn't try that. So then after you get it in, sorry I had to like zoom in on my face. You push this if you're done, which is just I think it just popped up like done or checked or something like that. And then if you want to just pause it, push this, and then I think it'll let you resume. And then if you want to trash it and start over, push this one. Okay, so the only thing I don't like about Loom is you could not upload straight to our YouTube account, which I did like. On Screencast you can. So what you're going to do is you're just going to push the download button right here, and you're going to download it onto your laptop or computer. And then once you do that, the next video that'll be uploaded on YouTube will show you how to upload that video onto our YouTube. So if you're doing Screencast, it should let you go ahead and upload it straight to our YouTube account as long as you're logged in. And then if you're using Loom, you're going to download it and then upload. So I will go ahead and make the other video. Thanks, guys.